Hello everyone, my name is Srihith and this is my project, AirGuard. Accessibility to fresh air, a map-based solution. The problem. In the United States, according to the American Lung Association, 40% live in places with unhealthy levels of air pollution. Globally, billions of people suffer from dangerous air pollution according to the World Health Organization. Poor air quality disproportionately affects vulnerable populations such as children, the elderly, low-income communities, and individuals with pre-existing heart and lung disease. Air pollution leads to severe health risks such as respiratory diseases, heart conditions, and even death. The World Health Organization says 7 million people die due to poor air quality annually. United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Sustainable Development Goal 3 talks about good health and well-being. Poor air quality leads to respiratory diseases and heart conditions, other health problems. The app can help users make informed decisions about exposure to pollutions. Sustainable Development Goal 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities. Many cities struggle with pollution and air quality. The app can provide real-time data and help individuals reduce exposure to harmful air. Our mission statement, enhancing urban accessibility by addressing air quality challenges, provide real-time solutions for monitoring and improving air environments, leveraging advanced technologies and data to generate actionable insight. Our solution. We use React library, JavaScript, and multiple APIs such as Google Maps to create a website that allows users to input a specific radius into the map and find all available good air quality sources within that area that updates dynamically key information about air quality, impacts, and how to protect yourself. An algorithm that calculates air quality risks and factors based on certain variables about yourself. How it works. Users simply enter their location and the radius for which they want to search for good air quality sources. The map dynamically updates to show information sources with information on whether the air quality source is good/unhealthy in the distance for each point. Users can zoom in and out and adjust the map and search for a specific location. This is the website. So first of all, we can see that there's a Google Maps imported using API. On the bottom, it talks about the air quality index, which is good from 0 to 50, moderate from 51 to 100, and so on. On the screen, since my location right now is Seattle, it shows the air quality in Seattle right now. And we can dynamically update the radius using the distances here. We can zoom in and out and check different air qualities to see which one's better. And we can also hide the air quality. And then in the About page, it talks about information regarding air pollution to help people become informed and inform populations globally. It talks about why air pollution is dangerous to make sure of its impacts and its health effects, such as the immediate health effects and the long term, and how to protect yourself in case you're in a bad air quality situation. So there is daily monitoring, so you could check your air quality before you go outside and stay indoors. And then there are high risk groups that are impacted by air quality differently than others. They could be more sensitive to it, meaning that a dangerous amount could be much lower and be normal to some people, while it's dangerous to people such as children or people with asthma. And then it talks about when to seek medical help. And finally, the health risk. The health risk assessment, first it detects the location where you're at using your device's location, and it auto calculates the air quality index at that location. Then you input an age and select all the conditions you might have. And then you talk about your activity level, your daily outdoor exposure, and what type of location you're at, such as city, center, or rural. And that it would calculate a risk out of 100 based on how risky it is for you to go outside and how dangerous it can be. Then it provides recommendations on how you can be helpful and how you can avoid being at risk when you go outside. This would help people who fall into the more dangerous group categories, such as over here, and that are in higher risk groups. Real-world applications. Using real-time air quality data, users monitor pollution levels and make informed decisions about how their outdoor activities, especially in areas where air quality may be a concern. It is especially useful for children or elderly individuals as it calculates a risk factor score for them to go outside. Future developments. Integrate crowdsourcing data for more accurate, up-to-date air quality information. Enable real-time user contributions to improve data quality and coverage. Implement air quality alerts for hazard pollution levels similar to Amber alerts that pop up on your phone or device. Provide evacuation suggestions based on air quality data and enhance app responsiveness and functionality to improve user safety. Conclusion. Air quality is one of the biggest challenges in creating accessible and livable urban environments. Our solution not only monitors and analyzes air quality, but we can also empower communities to take action. Together, we can pave the way for healthier, more sustainable cities in the future.